It's that time of the year. People are finally getting out of their homes. The sun is brighter. Wait, what's that? Are there more people holding hands? Do I smell love in the air? Oh crap, it's Valentine's Day.
So what does Valentine's Day mean to you?
Romance, love, boys, and now it's about myself.
And are you seeing anyone right now?
Let's just keep it to myself.
What are you doing right now?
I'm trying out this new lipstick over here. It's Tom Ford's latest lipstick called the Overpower Matte. Am I a beauty blogger right now? No. Just adding a little pop of color into my life. Hug her up.
Oh baby, oh, 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 oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby,
Got a couple pennies.
oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby, oh, oh baby,
Okay, so I had some great shopping experience today. Got a couple underwears, a nice bra. Gonna wear it to myself tonight. Go to sleep with it, and it's all good.
oh baby,
Roses, chocolates, it's everywhere. But we all know that we're looking forward to that sensual touch. I've decided to bring in an in-house masseuse because this girl needs some love all over her back.
oh baby, oh baby.
The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Well, that's what they say. So for Valentine's Day, I decided to invite a couple of my friends tonight to help me cook and attempting to create handmade pasta for the first time, fettuccine alfredo. It's going to be more of a healthy style, but honestly, let's just hope it's just edible.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm so scared.
Gotta do it harder though.
Okay. Oh. Ready?
Go. It's actually funnier because you don't know what you're doing.
No, that looks different. So we've decided to make a puree of cauliflower as a healthy version of our Alfredo sauce. I don't think healthy is worth it after doing this.
Oh yeah, the outfit change.
The Valentine's Day outfit, guys. I'm just wearing burgundy. It's the only color dress I have in my closet.
Here we go.